My pants. I'm gonna poop my pants. I'm gonna poop my pants. Hi, wee wee.
Here we go.
Camera Doorbell.
Nobody gon' bring me down.
Do not work. Hello there. Courtney, don't do that.
When the neighbor's mad because you got a doorbell camera.
You need to get your ring bell. Then you'll know who I am. Like the neighbor across the hall got a ring bell in the apartment. Who gets the ring bell in the apartment? What? Yeah. Like your neighbor across the hall for you. Got a ring bell in the apartment. Oh, I thought you had a phone. No, the ring phone right here.
Video shows the horrifying early stages of a fire in a neighbor's property. As the video goes on, you can see as the fire gradually continues to grow. So much so that it eventually reaches the house with the doorbell camera. At the time of the fire, the house owner himself was asleep, though he would be woken up by multiple notifications on his phone claiming motion was detected by his doorbell camera. After reviewing the footage, the house owner would frantically run to get a fire extinguisher and desperately attempt to put the fire out. But after realizing it was too late, the house owner would escape through the house's back door. It's pretty safe to say that the motion detected notifications that woke up the house owner saved his life that night.
When you're in the shower and your brother wanted to visit, so he steals your food and leaves.
I don't feel welcome here because y'all don't welcome me no more. I feel like I'm not treated like a guest, bitch. And I'm taking 2 slices of pizza, and your last 2 wings. Bitch.